Hey everyone, welcome back to Snowball AI. Today I have a fantastic and hilarious story to share about how I created a 3D mini-game with the help of ChatGPT 4 despite having almost no coding knowledge. Introduction. So, I was casually browsing the internet when I stumbled upon ChatGPT.
ChatGPT, dude.
A powerful AI language model by OpenAI. Just out of curiosity I thought, why not ask it to create a 3D model of an airplane? But guess what? It took a hilarious turn, and before I knew it, I was building a mini-game. I mean, who knew creating games could be this easy? First attempt.
A first attempt by a total...
Now, when I first asked ChatGPT 4 to create a runnable Python code for a 3D model plane, it came back with a decent code. I put the code into Virtual Studio Code and ran it. But it wasn't exactly a plane as I'd imagined. So I went back and forth with the AI, asking it to modify the model to make it a plane, but things took a different turn. But this wasn't an airplane. I want you to edit the model so it's an airplane in 3D instead. Look, it had the nerve to say, "No, I can't, it's too much work, you do it."
No,
It's all a lot of simple tricks and nonsense.
Nonsense!
The minigame idea. At this point I thought, why not create a simple 3D game instead? So I asked ChatGPT 4 to create a purple 3D ball that could be controlled by the arrow keys on my keyboard, and the AI delivered. It provided me with a code that had a controllable purple ball.
It was like magic.
It was like magic.
Stop the cap!
There we go. It created a purple ball which can be controlled by the arrow buttons on my keyboard. The only thing it didn't get right was to make it 3D. But to be fair, I guess I am the problem. I could have communicated
it's
better,
not you, it's me.
adding more elements. I was so excited. So I went on and asked ChatGPT 4 to add another blue ball that would vibrate. I can't believe I made this. I mean, I had to copy and paste the entire code all by myself. Google and Tesla, here I come with my CV. Why stop there? I decided to enhance my minigame masterpiece by adding 2 more elements. Specifically, I wanted to create a magnetic effect between the blue and purple balls, with the blue ball being pulled toward the purple ball. The blue ball moves at 25% of the speed of the purple ball. To accomplish this, I requested ChatGPT to rewrite the code. Additionally, I instructed the program to restart the game automatically if the blue ball comes into contact with the purple ball. I really looked forward to see the new rules I set for the game in action. But before I could enjoy the new updates, I had to get my hands dirty and do the hard part by myself. Moment of truth. Joke aside, this is truly amazing. I now have a controllable purple ball and a blue ball that tries to catch it. If it succeeds, the game is over and will be restarted. I can't believe that we achieved this only by describing what we wanted and with a sprinkle of creativity. The scoring system.
That's one hell of a high score.
I score.
Now, what's a game without a scoring system, right? I asked the AI to include a score based on the seconds since the last time the blue ball touched the purple ball. And you know what? It worked like a charm. The AI added a scoring mechanism and displayed the last score on the screen. I wanted to keep track of my best scores, so I requested ChatGPT 4 to display the high score as well, and guess what? It did just that. I now had a fully functional 3D mini-game with a high score system. Conclusion. So, there you have it, folks. This fun and intriguing journey started with a simple request for a 3D airplane model and ended up with me creating a mini-game in just a few minutes, all thanks to ChatGPT 4. I mean, I have close to no coding knowledge, but this AI made it so easy and entertaining. If you'd like to try it out yourself, give ChatGPT 4 a shot and see what you can create. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content like this. Until next time, outro music.